Now RY, change to RY, click OK, wave. After wave, go search, type transfer, okay?
Transfer.
Transfer, yes, to Riyadh, because we make transfer. This one, export Excel. But then wait 5 minutes or 10 minutes. You can. Okay?
Okay.
Open file. Select. Internal. Apply. Okay? Make it sure this one. Filter. Okay. Damage. Okay. Then this one. 1 to 7. We are this one to 6 asa. Click this one and this one. But then March, then this one, this is not our. Bara this one, click, delete. Okay. And then open 1 to 26, that's 1 hours class. But then you make this one 1, 2 until 3. But then drag, double click this one. Okay, you're coming now.
Coming serial.
Okay. After that one, now this filter 1 to 26 already. 192 on March 2027. But then if you go here 907, this one okay. Quantity 907. Now what we do, go file, save as, browse, delete this one. So we make to damage. So type RDMG Riyadh Damage Cosmetics dot this date. Okay. But then click this one, select CSV, aywa, and then save. Now it's on download. So what we go download, click download. Here you go, Control C and go link. This one, our link is in here. This one link. Click this link. Now we coming, Control V. He run that one. Class. He run. After that one, you go to atomic. This one, our atomic. Next. Okay. My catalog. Execute again. Open. Now we paste this one. So what we do, Alt Tab, click here, F2, Control E, Control C. So we go back there, but then Control V, then submit. After submit, back to catalog, but then click here. Ended. Now he active. But active that one means continue coming this one. 1146 to 1246. 1146, 1146. This one. Refresh this one. Alas. So if you refresh, look at OK ended normally. It means now okay. Look at the date. The date is 3/27/25 and the time is 11:47 and our running time is 11:46. It means our session for release transfer for Jeddah is already completed. It's mean we are success to transfer Jeddah. Okay?
Okay, man.
Okay, thank you.
Close video.
Now close video.